Hey guys, it's Joe here, and it's been a while, but I'm back with another unboxing video. This one being very different. So I kept getting ads online about this retro gaming console that you can, that has thousands of retro games on it. You don't need internet or anything, and it comes with all the games on it. And I got so many ads that I was just like, you know what? I think I need to get this thing. So I ordered it, and I finally got it, and I've been watching videos about it all day because of how excited I was about it. So it is actually an R36S, which I have never heard of until I saw those ads. And I got it from RetroSnap because that's just the ads that I kept getting. And it came with these little things I thought I'd show you. The little moments you capture today might be the ones you cherish forever. Oh, ain't that lovely. And this console isn't just for you. It's for the kid inside you. Thanks. I also got this travel case for it. Because I thought, I don't know, why not? And this is the actual console, and I'm realizing my camera angle is really bad. So there that is. There it be in the box, the RetroSnap Play. So RetroSnap, as I understand it, is a company that mostly it sells a like retro style camera. But, they, I guess, were really aggressively advertising this console, which again is the R36S, which again I had never heard of before I got this. So I got the black one, by the way, as you can see in there. That is. So it has these two analog sticks. That feels pretty good. And of course a D-pad. Oh, I like the feeling of that D-pad. That reminds me of Game Boy Advance, which I know is one of the consoles that has games that are preloaded. So that has, so there's two different, I've seen that there's two different SD cards in here. So on this side, it's one of the cards and the volume button. On this side, it's a power button with the other SD card. And here there's two ports, including also one for your earbuds. And then there's, okay, yeah, I was really curious as to how that would feel if they were going to be soft or really clicky, but the triggers here are quite clicky. And the buttons, oh, they feel good. Yeah, I was afraid about how the buttons would feel. I thought they would feel kind of like sticky or just too squishy, but they have a really good, like, in-between feel. That feels good. And those are just, the select and start are just, like, clicky buttons. I am going to take this cover off. If I can, get the tab. I usually love doing this. It's usually really satisfying, but, I don't know why this is being... Oh, here we go. Okay. No! Don't ruin the moment. There we go. Oh, there's two! I thought that was on the same thing. I gotta be really protective. Come on! Okay. Okay, here we go. And there that is. So I'm obviously gonna have to charge it before I can actually, like, play a game, but I'm just gonna... Oh, maybe I really do have to... Oh! R36S open source console. Hello. Arc OS 2.0. I think that's the one that that's like legit. You know what I mean? Like that's the legit emulation station. UI. I'm excited. All right, here we go. So that's all games. I don't really want to do that. Favorites. I don't really know how to. Whoa! Oh my god. Okay. That was loud. Capcom, System 1, System 2, System 3, Atari 5200, 7800, Famicom Disc, Super Famicom, NES, Super Nintendo, N64. Now that's one that I'm really excited about. Let's see. All-Star Baseball. Okay, so... Okay, that's how you favorite it. So you go on the game and you click Y. And it'll have a little star there. Sorry, I'm looking at the actual screen instead of like through my thing. Let's see here. Ooh, Batman. Let's see. Bomberman. Bottom of the ninth. I'm just gonna favorite like any baseball games I see, because I am a baseball fan, so let's see here. Daffy Duck, huh? Diddy Kong Racing! I've always wanted to play that. Has Doom 64. Excite Bike 64. Has a FIFA game. Oxford College Hoops. Alright, there's obviously one game that I am looking for, and I'm pretty sure it has. And I just want to make sure. Ooh, that sounds fun. Here we go. So, Mario Golf. Yes! It has Mario Kart 64 and all the Mario parties, and Mario Tennis, Mega Man 64, Mickey Speedway. Okay, I'll probably play that too. Mortal Kombat. Could go through this a bit quicker now. I won't go through like every single game that's here. I know there's a lot of Pokemon games. There's supposed to be a lot of Pokemon games on these kinds of like consoles. Resident Evil 2? That's kind of impressive, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, snowboard. Spider-Man! I love Spider-Man. Super Mario 64. The original Smash Bros? No frickin' way, bro. Oh my god, the best game that's ever been created. New Tetris. Okay. Tony Hawk Pro Skater. There was a Toy Story 2 game? Oh my god, I loved the Toy Story 3 game. Forgive me for if I'm like skipping over any really like significant games that... What is up with the like Detective Pikachu R featured games? Okay, no, go back. Actually, yeah, I don't know how I feel about that baseball game. Barbie games! Oh my god, stop! That's why you should buy this. Okay, you know, I know that there's a search. Okay, so let's... Because I've never actually played a Pokemon game. I want to see what all the Pokemons are here at. And I know that there's like... Did I click select? Start? Okay, yeah, start. Pokemon green, silver, gold, yellow. I want to play like red, though. On 10th anniversary. Blue. Why is there, like, 4... Yeah, that's the thing with these kinds of things. It's like, there's, like, 4 of the same thing. It's so small. God. Wait, okay. How do I... Oh, shoot. How do I go back? Isn't it, like, select and start or something? No. Fuck. Okay. I feel like I still want to play this. At some point, I don't know how to go to a menu. Oh, come on. I could have sworn it's like selecting something. But okay. I don't want to do this right now. Let's do this together. Let's figure this out together. Because I still have the box, obviously. And I never showed you guys the inside part, which has, of course, a charging thing and the screen wipes. That's nice. And what is that? Is that a screen protector? It's kind of small. Okay, here's a manual. Let's figure this out together. Oh shit! Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that doesn't oh, wait. Okay. Brightness adjustment. Exit game. So it's select and start at the same time. You can also save the game in certain ways. So all I have to do is select and start to exit. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. So let me show you. So it's not working. Maybe I have to, okay. I don't want to play Pokemon right now. Okay, well, you know, alright. Well, you got the main idea. I think I'm gonna, like, charge it for a bit and then do maybe, like, a part 2 or figure out how I can, like... wait, let me see something. Save game is select and L1 or R1. Okay, the fact that that's not working is kind of concerning me, I'm not gonna lie. If I just turn it off and turn it back on again. Oh, fuck. Okay. I'll figure this out. I might do a part 2 or just put 2 clips together. Okay. I'll figure this out. I'll see you either in the next one or a little bit later.